Hadin ke jingya kot jingya siat shipor hapdeng ki artli kiri ke jinglong jingman kampat sngan. Vice President jong United States Vance ulaong ba ke jingya kren jingya suk kadangsa ke jingya perkhat bat ulakdo pementa karai ke syong hakaliang jong ke Iran. Ula penpau ba ke United States kala debbu ya bun teli ki jing terwa Henry kadang ap ya ke Iran ban shim ki sin jam ki babun. Kabenta kabukongsan hakani kajing kren kadai kajing plelut ya ka Strait of Hormuz kabalong kalenti kabukongsan hakajing ya ki umpnyang hakapertai. Ujedi Vance ulaong ba kajing ple pura ya kani kalenti kalong kaperton kamhan kabenta kayo kakot jong kapertai. Henry kajing kren kila sya penthun namar kajing pher jingmut halor kani kaman. Hakaju kapor President jong ka United States Donald Trump ula pentrai kam ya ka naval blockade haka Strait of Hormuz. Kijing thu kipen I ba kishpai turiau jong ka US kilas dang ban khang ya kiling ki balaj batwan na kipenta ki bayadai bat ka Iran. Utrom ula airu ka jing maham ba ginu kiling jong ka Iran ki ba Pyrshah ban penwit ya kani ka blockade kinsha penjulor mardor. Ka Iran kalau jubab teng ya kani ka sin jam da ka baong bagani ka blockade kalong ka babian bat kala man kata ya ka yo ka kot jong ka perthai. Ki bor jong ka Iran ki lamaham ru balada ki jingyo I jong ki shakta kinle de ki sin jam ban jubab ha ka duriau. Ujiriwan sulapen pau ka jingkermen Henry ka jing perkhat da ka baong ba ka jing kren ka dangdon kalat Henry ka syong ha ka Iran ban pediang ki kendon ki bakongsan. Ulaong ru balada ka Iran ka kwa ban long kum gari ka piyat bet ha ka yo ka kon ka dei ban ker na ka jing tmu nuclear pat ki kam jing ya kanat. Hakaju kapor ka jingalong jingman ha ka kata ha ka yo ka kot ru ka kata ya ki jing dei san perthai ha ka leng ka perthai. Ka jing ha ka jing kren bat ka jing pher jingmut ka lapini ba ka jinglong jingman ka dangdon ha ka jing perkhat ka bajur pat ka jingma ka dangdon bakan nang jur shu. Kani ka jing kanat ka peni ba wat hadin ka jing kot jing siat ka jing sngan kampat wan. Ka perthai menta ka dang pet ngor bha ya ka jing ya jong kini ka jing kren namar ka nu ka jing kanat kala man kata ya ka perthai bro ka wei.
A normal country, if it had a normal economy, if its people were able to prosper and thrive. But in order for Iran to be a normal country economically, it's going to have to be a normal country from the perspective of not pursuing a nuclear weapon, and it's going to have to be a normal country from not pursuing terrorism. And so there really is, I think, a grand deal to be had here, but it's up to the Iranians, I think, to take the next step, is that we need to see the Straits of Hormuz fully open. And this is, frankly, one of the things where the Iranians tried to move the goalposts during the negotiation. We made very clear that that's unacceptable. We came to the negotiations saying the United States, what we've given here is a ceasefire. We've stopped bombing the country. What we expect the Iranians to give up is a full reopening of the Straits of Hormuz. We have seen, as the president has said, some significant uptick in traffic coming through the Straits of Hormuz. That's good for the global economy. It was about the United States and the fact that he's been a good partner to both me and the president personally, but also to the United States. I'm sad that he lost. We'll work very well, I'm sure, with the next prime minister of Hungary. But it wasn't a bad trip at all, because it's worth standing by people, even if you don't win every race.